So we've looked at the Lasso tool and at the Magic Wand tool, and really the last thing for us to look at is the Polygon Lasso tool. So if we click into Polygon, then to Lasso tool, and then to Polygon Lasso tool, and here it is, this sort of weird squiggly shape. Now what the Polygon Lasso tool will do is draw in straight lines. So clearly drawing around Astrid in straight lines is going to make her quite kind of angular, and it's not going to work. There'll be portions that might work, so this part here, the arm here and here would probably be fine, but these parts like her shoulder bits and her fingers and so on, no good, and this bat axe, whatever it is she carries around with her, that'll probably be okay too. So we're going to do the house instead. So we're going to click at the very top. When we let it go and start to move the mouse around, we'll see it has this straight line for us, and if we click at the end of the roof here, we have another straight line, so we'll kind of click and do our best to trace around the house. It's not going to be perfect, but you get a flavour. And so all I'm doing is clicking at certain points, basically clicking at any point where the direction of the angle changes. And when you get back to your start position, it will complete the shape for you. If you don't get quite back to your start position, if you press enter, it will just match up the two with a straight line. So long as you're fairly close, it will be fine. And there's the house. So if we then Control and C and go into any other picture, I've gone into this one for no particular reason, just because I had it open from previously, and then Control and V, and we will not resample, and there's our house floating around. Oh, there we go. Oh, hello. Choose the right tool, there we go. Right, and then we can move the house down here, and it looks like a bit like a doll's house. Yeah, and that's how the Polygon Lasso tool works.